Him. Okay, here, I'm gonna hand them all to you fast. Whoa, Safari.
Yeah. Look at his belly.
Max D.
Max D.
Backdraft.
Backdraft.
Hot Wheels.
Hot Wheels. The turtle.
Grinder. Fire truck. Samsung.
Samsung. Oh, cool. Yeah, good job.
Monster Vet.
Monster Vet.
Jester. Electric truck. Lightning. Gravedigger.
You want both of them?
Metal Militia.
Metal Militia.
Predator. Whoa, look at all of them lined up.
But I need one right here. That one. What do you want? Another one.
That one? Which one is this? The snake bite.
A take bite.
There has to be more over here somewhere. Because you have so many monster trucks.
I do. I need to do what I don't.
Any back here?
Dada, I got really young dog. Here's one, Dada. This one fit.
Okay, let's see it go.
That
Whoa!
one jumped high.
That did jump high.
But this one land on this.
Okay.
This is for the other picture. The monster dive on this, then go up, to a level, and then they're up to a level, then dive off. They dive on, and then they go to a level, then they dive off, then they go down.
Oh!
Yeah.
Okay. How do you do this one? Can I try this?
Don't go right here.
Oh, that's a good spot for him.